Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to make clean blending watermark in After Effects. First, complete your edit. Now take text and choose a font. Here I choose Arial Bold font. After that, write your text. Now adjust your text and size. Now cut the extra part of text layer. Now apply drop shadow effect on text layer. Now do my settings. Opacity 85%, distance 6, softness 13. Now go in modes option and change it normal to overlay mode. Now our clean blending watermark is ready. Thanks for watching this. See you soon guys.